Hey everyone, welcome back to the Reolink channel. Today, we're discussing a cool feature that can totally up your security game. Object size. Ever wondered how it cuts down on false alarms to focus on what really matters? That's exactly what object size does. In this video, we'll break down what object size is, why it's such a powerful tool for security setup, and how you can easily configure it on your Reolink camera. Object size is an incredibly effective way to reduce false alarms. If a moving object is smaller than the minimum object size or larger than the maximum object size you've set, your Reolink camera won't trigger any alarm. This means no more annoying alerts caused by spider webs, light changes, or even raindrops. Just the alerts that truly matter. Now, let's talk about how you can set this up for your Reolink cameras. It's super simple, and I'll walk you through the steps. First, launch a Reolink app and log into your camera. Once you're in, tap the settings icon in the top right corner to go to the device settings page. Next, tap detection alarm and then select object size. This is where the magic happens. Now, tap to choose a detection object. Depending on your camera model, you might see options like person, vehicle, or animal. Select the one you want to configure. Here's the fun part. Tap minimum object or maximum object. Use your finger to zoom in and out on the yellow or blue frame on the screen to adjust the size you want to set. You can set up just the minimum size or a maximum size, or both at the same time. Just remember, if you set both, make sure the blue frame is bigger than the yellow one. Made a mistake? No problem. Tap the trash can icon to delete the object size settings. Once you're happy with your adjustment, tap Save to lock in your settings. And there you have it. By setting up object size, you're taking control of your security system and reducing those pesky false alarms. Thank you for watching yet another video from Reolink. As usual, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And while you're doing that, consider subscribing and drop a comment down below on what you want to see on our next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure. See you next time.